Hello and welcome to my trading video journal. I'm going to show you all of the trades I took for the past week. This first one's going to be on BLDP on the 5-minute time frame. You can see it made a move up and started to pull back again. Bought at this blue triangle, first candle make a new high off of the pullback, and it ends up going up here. I was able to follow my stop up on it and ended up getting stopped out down here at this red triangle. So that was a small winning trade. This is ENPH on the 5-minute time frame. Bought on this candle thinking that the pullback was over, and continued to consolidate here and ended up rolling over and stopping me out where this red candle is. So like I said, I'll show you all my trades, my winners and my losers. KR, kind of a similar idea here. Makes a pullback, starts to go to a new high. So I bought on this little red candle with the blue triangle, as you can see, and then it did end up rolling over and stopping me out for a loss. On Netflix, similar idea here. Pulls back, candle starts to go to a new high, so I buy, and then just ends up taking me out again. Plug, this a little bit different of a setup. I saw this support area and it gapped up, started to pull back. So I put my order in to buy. You can see I got long at this blue triangle and it ended up bouncing and ended up being able to take off my target shares there. And I had my runners on. And here's a funny thing about this is that I actually ended up falling asleep and I forgot to check on this trade, and it ended up being a swing trade, which is actually wonderful. So I ended up following it up. The next day it opened up here and ended up pulling back and taking me out. My stop ended up being at 559, so ended up getting stopped out here, and I didn't really end up doing too much after that. I should say I wasn't able to hold the gain. SEDG, same idea, makes a move up, pull back, and ended up rolling over, getting stopped out. SPCE, this is a good one. Ended up trading this one twice actually. So this is a similar idea. It makes a move up and pulls back, and candle starts to go to a new high. So I ended up buying blue triangle, took off my target shares at this red triangle, and it continues higher. So it makes a really nice move, and ended up buying here at this blue triangle. So I noticed that this area was an area of support, and I wanted to add some shares, and my stop loss was just under that area. So it did come, let's see, it came just 3 cents from stopping me out actually. So I was thinking, wow, that's pretty close to stopping me out, but then ended up being able to mitigate on my new shares, take it off at the target, and then I ended up getting stopped out on this red candle stick, and then it did end up losing all the gains, but that was fine because I was able to capitalize on the move. Also traded SPY, same idea pretty much as the last one. This one was textbook, it looked great. I ended up getting long, thinking it was going to go to a new high, and it ended up taking me out. And look at this cheap shot. If this isn't a cheap shot, I don't know what is. It would have been excellent, would have been able to get to my target and just continue to grind higher throughout the day. Now last trade I'll show you is MU, and this is going to be on the daily time frame. This was a swing trade. You can't see where I bought and got long because, well, it's more than 7 days old and my platform just doesn't support that, or at least I don't know if it does. So I noticed this area of support and this moving average was here, so I ended up getting long, and it just ended up working out very nicely. I ended up taking some shares off. Well, I don't even know where my target was, but then it ended up getting out for the rest of my shares in this red triangle. It gapped down. So if you like this type of video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.